Burnout ruined my year. It really fucked me up in ways I did not expect. Let me tell you why I got a burnout and how to get out of it. Gotta just hang on a minute because I'm going to get to it, okay? At the end of last year, the beginning of the school year, I had only 3 classes, and those were all projects. And 2 of them I did fairly great. Okay, one of them I had to leave behind a bit because I was fully focused on the one project. And then I tried to do the last project, but I knew I did not have enough time, and I knew I was gonna fail that one. But I was fine with it because those other 2, I was gonna succeed with them. You know, I was so happy. I knew that those were very good. But sadly,
and you fail.
It was not so. So was it my fault? What is the teacher's fault? To be honest, I don't care anymore. It is behind me. I got re-exams for them. I'm doing those right now. It's fine. I don't care. I'll be very honest. I actually do care. But can I change anything about it? I can't, you know, so I gotta deal with it. Yippee! From then on, I don't know. The year was just not it. Because I was in that mindset because like, fuck, I gotta get these. I thought I wasn't gonna have re-exams. Because I was like, hey, this year easy. I'm just gonna get through everything. It's done. But no. Like I failed everything. It's like those past 2 months led up to nothing. I did it for nothing. Literally, that's how it felt. Like all the hard work and I grinded my ass off because I was like, this last year is gonna be the best year ever and I'm gonna put in all the fucking work and I'm gonna... And then, you know...
No! It can't be! No! No!
And I just realized this summer, that is literally the setup for a burnout. For example, when those exams were done, I really hated coding. I mean, who wouldn't hate this shit, you know? Look at this shit, come on, bruh. And then just going into the year with the wrong mindset of like, I got these goals, I'm gonna reach them, I'm just gonna focus on it, focus on this goal. But you cannot focus too hard on goals. Don't make sacrifices. Because then you're gonna drain yourself out so quickly. Because you're not enjoying program, you're doing it for the goal. I don't know how to explain this. This is kind of from Hyde. I don't know if anyone has watched him.
I'm coming to kill you!
But in his videos, he really explains that creativity and programming, for example, doesn't come out of putting in those few hours and those insane fast working. It doesn't matter how productive you are. It matters that you just put in the hours, put in the work consistently. Don't like have that goal in mind, like, oh, I'm gonna reach there and, you know, I'm gonna... Because then you like do your own choices. You don't have any freedom. And that's why working in a company and in school, a lot of people can get burned out very easily because they have these goals in mind. When they get home, they're like, okay, today I did this, this, and this. We're on our path to get a promotion, you know? And you're not relaxing your mind. You're not freeing your mind.
How do I relax? Well, like many other Americans, I come home and I pet my dog. You see, petting your...
Just put in the hours, put in the work, and then nothing. Don't make sacrifices, you know? Because usually for that goal, you do like, okay, it's only for now, and then I'll get there. Only temporary pain, and then I'll get there. Oh, it's only a little bit, and then I'll get there. That is really gonna fuck you up. And I have done that for the past, I don't know, half a year, not a full year. And that was shit. And I'm never gonna do that again. And it's really weird, because I kind of forgot what I already knew. The unknown no.
You've always heard the phrase, there's like the known knowns, the known unknowns, and then the unknown unknowns. Like everyone kind of frames life like that. Well, there's a 4th one that I think that we never talk about, and this is like the one that gets me the most, which are my unknown knowns. The things I operate in and the things I do that I have never even like thought about. It's like, why did I think this way?
I was really making myself miserable for no reason than just, oh, I gotta graduate. It's only for now, and then I can graduate, and then I'm free. Then I'm free to choose whatever I want to do. But that is not what was true at that moment. I could already choose what I wanted to do. I could already have passion projects on the side. But I just handicapped myself, and I was like, oh, right now I cannot do this. But I could already. It's just a the fucked up thing about it. When you have a burnout, it's okay to put in more work, but what you want to do. Do not go for that goal that you have in mind, for what you like to do, okay? So I like programming, so that means it's fine to just be like, oh, I'm gonna enjoy myself. I'm gonna be working on my passion project, and you know, it's fun. I've only started to like programming more recently because I've done more side projects and projects myself, and then, you know, this were rewarding for myself. Okay, you can have a goal, but you gotta put it in steps. You gotta enjoy the moment right now, and you just gotta put in the work. You know, the 9 to 5, just do the work, and eventually you'll get there. It doesn't matter how much extra work you do, or how little work you do. You just have to put in the 9 to 5. And it doesn't matter what you do in that 9 to 5. Just do like the best that you can in that moment. What I used to do, by the way, because I was already like this, living in the moment, living in the now. And I was so good at it, actually, over the past, like, few years. But only this year, I fucked it up.
Yeah, listen. We fucked up.
And that is really... It's crazy that I fucked up for so long and did not realize it. Do not set goals the way I did. And do not obsess about goals. Because if you're like trying to go for these stats and these goals and like, oh, I'm gonna weigh this much when I go to... No, just gym every day. That is a goal. Not the like, oh, in the future I'm gonna sacrifice this to do that. No, stop. Don't do it. You will literally burn yourself out. And that is my tip. And that is, you know, what you should do. But I hope this can help other people. Make sure to watch that video from the Healthy Gamer and ThePrimeagen. They're talking about dev burnout. And of course, Hyde. Just the no bullshit, just giving advice. And it's like the best advice ever, kind of. Even though he's a little bit of a weird guy, but I kind of respect it. You gotta be a bit weird. And I'm also a bit weird every now and then. You know what I mean? Yeah! I am streaming on YouTube right now, as you can see right over here. Yes. So, follow my Twitch, because I'm also streaming over there. And follow my YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. No. I think ending is a stupid thing. I think I just got it. Like, you know,